Okay guys, second game guy between Taiwan Formosa versus Double Edition na naman.
Aliraw, the ball. Basto, mawala.
Okay guys, technical free throw.
Tulipan sa labas, looking for the bird. Basto sa panta, Basto Ali. Aliraw, building, Basto Miranda. It's number 2. 2 now. This is dribbling. 2, Basto Makarek, attempting for 3. 1 goal, rebound for Miranda. Basto Joseph. Joseph now, easy dribbling. Easy kate, atake, pinasakay Ali, Jambia, 1 goal, pangalisang tuloy naman, rebound for William. Basto 2. 2 now, walang takot, back and shoot. 1 goal, rebound for Sapanta. Sapanta now. 8 minutes and 6 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Ali Jambia, wala pa rin. Nakara 8-2.
Oy, thank you panalo.
1 goal, rebound for by Tulipan. Ali, Joseph. 1 goal, rebound. 13 seconds left. Sapatan for 3. Wala, rebound by Tulipan. Makarek now, Makarek 5. 1 goal, rebound by Tulipan. Basto Joseph. Hindi pa masyado mabilis ang ating mga players. Joseph now. Ay paklaro, tumira, wala. Talo siya. 2 points, tulungan pa rin. Makarek now. Is dribbling, checking the play. Basto William. Harap sa may Tulipan. 14 seconds shot na. Ito yung William. Good throw. Good throw, William. Throw, ito tayo William. Wala pa rin. Rebound sa may Tulipan. Basto sa Panta. Ayan na yung sa Panta. Atake kaya. Pinasa kay Ali. Joseph, katulang. Ingat. Jun now. Basto Makarek. Makarek. Basto Jun. Jun, look at receiver. Basto Jun. Jun foul. 1 goal. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Ali now. Brazil. Inang sa loob. Intercepted by Jun. Basto Jun. Jun now. Jun stamps and shoot. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Jun. Foul. 1 goal. Rebound by Jun. Jun attempting for 3. Wala pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Intercepted by Ali. Basto Joseph. Naabot. Sa Makarek. Nasa kay Jun. Jun. Brazil. Intercepted by Joseph. Joseph Basto Ali. Ali now. Ever Joseph. Makarek now. This is dribbling. Basto Jun. Jun. Foul. 1 goal. Rebound by Tulipan. Tulipan.
May gana rin si Kwani.
5 minutes and 41 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Score pa rin natin. 7-0. Miranda, Brazil. Huli ka. 7 seconds remaining on shot clock. 11. 1 goal. Rebound by William. Intercepted by Tulipan. Tulipan fake. Foul. 1 goal. Rebound by and back to 2. 5 minutes remaining for the first quarter.
15?
2. Back to William.
Hindi ko alam.
William, back to Makarek. Attempting for 3. Makarek. 3 points from the Taiwan team. Ali now. This is dribbling. 14 seconds shot clock. Ali. Gets the play. Back to Tulipan. Masyado. 2. Back to Jun. Jun foul. Jun for 2. Ali now. Favor pa rin ng line 2. Pakingan sa loob, pero sa 2. Pass for 3. 1 goal. Rebound by Miranda. Pass to Ali. Ali now. Ayan na si Ali. Nagmamadali. Huminto konti. Setting the play. Brazil.
Hindi po yung meron pa kuskusan.
Nakuha ni William. Pass to shoot. Shoot now. Got it. Tumira. 1 goal. Rebound by 2. Harap by Joseph. Wala. Rebound by Joseph. Joseph now. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Joseph 5. Wala. Rebound by Makaraeg. Makaraeg. To shoot. Good to shoot. Shoot. Diskarte sa set. Tumira. 2, 3, 7, 8. Lamang ng isa ang Taiwan Promotion Team. Sa banda. Tulipan, drive. Masyadong malaki. Hindi na kayanan. Ayan na si William. Na-intercept si Ali. Ali yan. Diretso. Pinasakay sa bata. 1 goal. Rebound to Tulipan. Talo sa 1 goal. Rebound by June. June now. Back to June. June attempts for 3. Wala. Talo sa by William. Nababa ang bola. Arms by June. Back to 5. It's an airborne. Nababa ang bola. At the play. Last 2 minutes for the first quarter. 2, drive, 1 goal. Rebound to Bulanani. Inside. 2, pass to Makaraeg. Harap by Bulanani. Looking for Zimmer. May kitang bantay. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Kangren. Right now, James. Ali drive. Radio James. Huli kamay mo. Masyadong malaki ang kaganabaw. Tanto laban sa parang galing ang bola. Tumira. Masyadong mahaba. 8.20 na remaining. Radio James. Pass to Ali. Pass. Wala. Rebound by June. Pinasa sa kalaban kay Bulanani. Ayan ang si Bulanani. Pinasa ang Ochoa. Pass to Ali. Ali drive. Lays up. Wag go. Ingat lang tayo. Sabi na.
Ulo yung...
Okay. Looking for Silver. Pass to June. At the ball 3. 1 goal. Rebound Miranda. Pass to Ochoa. Lays up. Control line. Ball go. Raising up. Pass to. Desktop tayo. All 12. Makaraeg. 35 seconds remaining. Makaraeg. Drive. Foul. 1 goal.
Itaron.
Shoot.
Kay Barat na.
2, pass for 3. 1 goal. Rebound by Ali. 20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds. Sumiao.
Uy!
Sumiao. Umiao. Alayo. Wala.
Okay guys, second quarter guys. Second quarter.
Makaraeg sa bola. Makaraeg now. Setting the play. Back to 2. Back to Makaraeg. Makaraeg now. Attempts for 3. 1 goal. Rebound by Ali. Ali. Pinasa. Intercepted by Makaraeg. Ayan ang si Makaraeg. Pinasa kay Zu. Attempting. Labit konti. Intercepted. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Aatangin sa gitna. Tumira. Tos ang may tala. Talaga naman. Iba ng matipag. Joseph Paul. Babawi. 1 goal. Rebound by Lokia. Back to Zu. Zu now. Attempting for 3. Wala. Ari kaya laro. Mawata na. Pinasa kay Joseph. Pinisit. Wala rin. Makaraeg. Back to June. June now. June. Foul. And the loser. Foul. Let's go. Wala. Rebound na ba ito iba? Pasto Ali. Pasto Ochoa. Ochoa lays up. 1 goal. Rebound na ba Makaraeg? Makaraeg now. Makaraeg. Diskarte. Umatake. Lumusot. Nakapunto. NSL 40 seconds remaining. Shoot. This is dribbling. Looking for Schumer. Pass to shoot. Paso Lokia. Wala. Joseph, number 89, dribbling. Paso Kato. Atake. Ito po win. Nasa ng low. Kay Su. Nakalusot. Pero pinalitan kayo sa panta. Ang panta. Tinaka kayo ang shoot. Shoot. Pastor shoot. Pastor lock yan. Bumaba. Ala. Ang bumangga. Talagang bumangga. Bato. Go. Makaraeng now, lulutin there's a whistle. 60 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. October 3, 1 go, ibang tulipan, wala pa rin, sa kanya pa rin ang bola, intercepted, nakuha ng 2. Ayan ang si 2. So, tinisdate, pinasa kay 2. 2 points, by 2. Making it for 2 points. Paulihan. 2, pass to Makareng. Makareng now, setting the play. Pass to 2. 6 minutes remaining. Pinasa kay Makareng. Ay, second set na. 1 go, rebound to sa palpat. Dapat na pass to Ari. Ari raw. Ari, Carne, atras konti. 15 seconds set na. Dapat na 16 to 22. Lamang pa rin ng Taiwan Formosa ng 6 na puntos. Ayan ang Makareng. Pinasa kay Ju. At episode 3. 1 go. Rebound. Survive. Kanina mapupunta. 14 seconds. Ju. Pinasa kay Ju. 1 go. Rebound to Makareng. Go. 5 minutes and 11. 2 points. I want 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Score 25 to 16. Alinaw. Raising the ball. Ranjit. Nasa labas. Tulipan. 2 points. Tulipan. Nakanakaw. Now. 18 to 25. Ang isang ornament. Makareng. Pinasakasyon. Pero may dito. Let's do. Makareng now. Ranjit. Sumangkasa, buhay na palbon. Kaninong bola? Joseph now. Dribbling the ball. Atake, pinasa kay Kato, nakalunggol. Sabay yung malaki. Kaninong bola? Nakasilog yan. The ball. Ayan na, nakuha din Su. Su now, tere-derecho, pinasa kay Makareng. Kahit na Houston, no whistle! Okay, Makareng. 3-point play para sa kanya. Ay, score mo natin! 18 to 28! Sampo ang kalaman! Joseph Bulitan! Joseph sa labas. Pinasa kay Ochoa. Ochoa ng Tulipan. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Ochoa rise. 1 goal rebounded by June. Soon now. 13 seconds remaining. Nawala ang bola niya kamay. Nakuha ng Joseph.
Sa yung ring.
Loka. Masyadong malaki. Joseph, number 89, Gagin, Pagkotoa, dapat mga lensu. Ayan na lensu. Stop and shoot. 1 go. Rebound pa rin na. Kanya pa rin. There's no whistle. First go. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. 1 go. Rebounder by Tulipan. Tulipan. Just now. Reading the ball. Ochoa. Ochoa and 3. 1 go. Rebounder by Tulipan. 10 seconds. Go by. So now, 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Pinasa kay William, pero nakuha pa rin ng 2. Paul, 1 goal, rebounded by Miranda. Back to Tulipan, to Joseph. Joseph now, right, back to Ochoa, Paul. 1 goal, Paul after by Joseph. Ay, Iman, Tansu, Yao. Makareng for 3. One go. Rebounder by Ivan Eusebio. Mga rin, 14 seconds remaining. Ranger James, number 15, pinasa kay Joseph. Jack. Joseph, go. Two, guys, 5, go, whistle, and just offensive. Alinaw. Kato, drop back, pero intercepted. Nakuha ni Ochoa, umikot, tumira, may pito. Santiago, ayos, Santiago. Ochoa, attempt. Jumper Zuele, ball throw. Pasok pa rin,
Oh.
Santiago. 50 seconds left. Mga record 3. One go. Rebound to my shoot. Wala pa rin, rebound to my Kato. Pinasa kay Joseph. 15 seconds remaining. Raise up. One go. 10 seconds. Pamiao. 2 balls to my shoot. Okay.
Guys, third quarter tayo guys. Third quarter. Okay guys, start the ball game.
Pinasa kay Kato. One go. Rebound to by William. Pass to 2. Pass to 3. One go. Rebound to by Lokia. Wala. Rebound to by Tani. Alinaw. Ali, intercepted. Nakuha ni Lokia. Ayan na, solok-solok. Good yun. Pasok, making it 28-37, labing isa ang kalabaran ng Taiwan Formosa Black Bear. Dapat natin to 3. Pabawasan, sinaw. 9 minutes remaining for the first quarter. So now, Pastor Lokia. Sinasa kay Su. 2 balls by Su. Aliman, 2 balls by Ali. Makareeg. Makareeg now. This is dribbling. Driving it. And 25 seconds remaining. Ali. Ayan na si Ali. First throw. For the final throw. Wala. Rebound by Sinasakay sa pantas, tumira. Dos puntos ang pagpilitin kung hindi kaya ha. May trabaho pa tayo. One go. Rebound to by Miranda. Ayan ang si Miranda. Nakuha pa rin may-ali ang bola. 7 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Lock yung now. Dribbling the ball. Arto kay Bulan-Labi. Nakuha ni Bulan-Labi ang bola. Bulan-Labi pa rin. Sinasa kay Miranda. Pagtukato. Katutok Ali. Pagtukato. Anderson Bell. 14 seconds left. Ali now. Dribbling the ball. Pagtukato. Patukal. One goal. Follow down to kay Miranda. Two now. Goal, 37-39, dalawa na lang kalabangan ng Taiwan team. William, pass, goes to Michelle, wala, rebound by Shoot. Shoot now. 10 seconds left, Makareeg, Rajib, lays up, one go. Nakagaman ng bola. Makareeg, intercepted by Bulan-Labi, sa pagkain, sa Winter. Lokian, pak to William. William make ang ganda naman. Ali. Bumangga, tumira, walo. Diretso lang. Bulan-Labi, wala. Rebounder by Lokian. Tinasa kay Makareeg. Makareeg, gidiskarte. Nasuntutan na yung Ali. Ayan na si Ali. Diretso, tinasa kay Kato. 2 balls by 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Go, go, go! Shoot, Colombia. Ball. First row, Rogan. 39 to 43. Second row, 1-2. Rebound sa Panta. Ayan na si Panta. Stop sa 23. Wala. Rebound to Lokia. Lokia, back to Macarey. Macarey now. Back to shoot. Set the play. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. 15 seconds center. 2. Attention 3. 2. 39 to 46. Lumo-lobo ang kalamangan ng Taiwan Formosa team. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Miranda. Drop back to Bulagani. Wala. Rebound na by William. Back to 2. 2 now. Top 10 seconds. 2. Ochoa sa bola. Ochoa back to Ali. Ali now. 15 seconds left. Back to Joseph. 5 for 3. Joseph. 3. Pangaring now. 15 seconds left. Now, back to Ali. Last 4 balls remaining for the third quarter. Joseph, isa pa. Wala. Rebound by Gato. Pa. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Liman. Tukol. Door. Tukol kinain. Di madalang kalabangan. Pangaring now. Taking the play. Looking for Sule. Back to shoot. Back to Lokia. 8 seconds remaining. Wala. Rebound by Gato. Pato now. Back to Ali. Ali leaving the ball. Dire-diretso. Pinasa kay Joseph. Foul. 1 goal. Rebound by shoot. Back to shoot. Shoot. Attention 3. 1 goal. Rebound by Uliman. Uliman. Back to Gato. Pato drive. Ali. 1 goal. Rebound Pato. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Pato pa rin. 2 points. Tatlo na lang kalamangan. 2. Back to Macarey. Macarey now. Set the play. 15 seconds left. Intercepted by Joseph. Joseph dire-diretso. Late up. 2 points by Joseph. Itang laban. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. Score. Intercepted by Ochoa. Ochoa now. Ayan na. Naghintay ng kasama. Pinasa kay Gato. Pagkasa. 22. First goal! Rebound naman. Ayun lang. Naglipat sa rebang. Looking for Stevers. Pinasa kay Sowa. Kanta ng play. Pero hindi lang pumasok. Sayang. Su. Ayan lang si Su. Dire-diretso na sa whistle. First goal! Wala pa rin. Rebound naman Ali. Ali, pass-back to Ochoa. Nawala. Macarey. Pass to Su. Su now. Looking for Stevers. 2 minutes remaining. 12 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. So. 7 seconds shot clock. Lokias for 2 points. Tira. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Joseph now. Back to Ochoa. Back to Ali. 12 seconds shot clock. Joseph. Attention 3. Joseph. 3. Shoot. Score for Amen. 10 left. 51. All 51 and score natin. 2. 1 minute and 10. 10 seconds shot clock. 1 minute about to make it back. Eagle score! Ayaw na zone. And the whistle. Ochoa sa laban. Looking for Stevers. Pass to Ali. Ali now. Pass to Joseph. Harap si Maisu. Joseph, ipag-ibutan. Tumalang siya. Tumira, pero may dito. Tingnan natin kung take-table tayo. Wala. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Shoot. Shoot. Gusto makarin. Pass to Shoot. That's the out. 40 seconds left. Look at 5. 1 goal. 30 seconds remaining. Pass to Ochoa. Ochoa by. 2 points by Orana. Let's do. Let's do the out. Zoom out. 10 seconds remaining. 1 goal. Correct by. 2 points by Macaret.
Okay guys, fourth quarter tayo guys. The final quarter guys, the final quarter.
Two. Dribbling the ball. Two. Guys, 5. 2 points by Two. Ali now, in the dribbling. Setting the play. Guys, there's no whistle. Joseph, pass to Tulipan. Tulipan, drop back to Renyete. Gana. In the dribbling, dikit na laban. Shoot, intercept, napaparang na shoot. Shoot, pinalta kay Shoot, 1 for 3. 1 goal, without end, there's no whistle. Ikik ng bantain. Shoot. Pinasa sa loob, intercept na kay Alex. Pass break to Ochoa, solong solo, laid up. Iba nang mabilis. Shoot, pass to Macareng. Macareng now, sets the play, pass to Shoot. Harap sa bayan niya game. 10 seconds, and there's no whistle. Attention 3. 1 goal. Rebound from Tulipan. Tulipan, pinasa kay Perez. To Ali. Pass to Joseph. Joseph, pass to Tulipan.
Ito mo panalo.
And there's no whistle.
Play mo.
Pass to Shoot. Gajin, pass. 1 goal. Rebound from Ali. Ali. Ayan lang si Ali. Dire-diretso. Lumipot-lumipot. Pass. 2 points to Ali. Macareng now. Setting the play. 50 seconds shot clock. Pass to Shoot. 10 seconds shot clock. 1 goal. Rebound to Ali. Ali, nasa kay Joseph. Joseph, pass to Ochoa, pass. 1 goal. Rebound to Perez. Macareng now. Score for Golden, 59-55. Lamang ng apat. Let's do. Pinasa kay Shoot. Pass. 1 goal. Rebound long gun. Follow up. Lock pa rin. Huli na pa rin. Macareng, pass. 2 points. Dikit na dikit. Ayun na si Dirong Ali. Ali, 100 lang yan. Ochoa, wala. Ibang by Shoot. Pass to Macareng. Macareng now. Ayan na si Macareng. Umangkangin. Tos ang nilang tumira. Ochoa now. 6 minutes and 8 seconds remaining for the last quarter. 50 seconds shot clock. Tulipan, pass. 1 goal. 8. Shoot now. Dire-diretso, pinasa kay Shoot. Shoot, pass. 1 goal, rebound to Ali. Ali, pinasa kay Tulipan. Tulipan pa. Tulipan, long ya, pass to Shoot. 5 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. Score, 61-59. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. 1 goal, rebound to Ali. Ayan na si Ali, pinasa kay Joseph. Joseph, Gajin, pass to Ochoa. 2 points by Olayo ang kalamangan. Ayaw, open zone. 5 minutes remaining. Pagkusun. Pagkusun, intercept na ba Ochoa? Ayan na si Ochoa. Hintay ka kampe. Inasa kakali. Pasto Joseph. Joseph. Miles for 3. Joseph. Todo. Nagulap ang Taiwan team. Dribbling the ball. So now, Raj. Ali, ayan kasi Ali, ipagsayawan, tumiran, doso. Ali, kinakaliwa lang na yan. Makareeg, labing kontek, tumang na kay Ender sa whistle. Makareeg, in the ball, one goal, rebound Ryan Joseph, back to Joseph. Joseph, tumabay, wala, follow up, wala, rebounder by Makareeg. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Makareeg, drive, raise up, Joseph. Unahan na kayo. Ali now, using the ball. Pagtutulipan, back to Ochoa, foul. One goal, rebounded by Chu now, Chu, pinatay Makareeg. Makareeg, foul. One goal. Makareeg pa rin, tumira, wala pa rin. Rebounded by Ochoa. Ochoa now. Ochoa, pagtutulipan. Tulipan back to Joseph. Joseph to Ryan Eugene. One goal, rebounded tulipan. And there's no whistle. Pasok pa rin. Makareeg. Tatlong 3-point pa yan. Chu. Back to Chu. Makareeg. 15 seconds left lang. Back to Chu. Pass for 3. Isa. Para kumali na lang. 3 points. Galing kay Chu. 2 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. Ali now, dribbling the ball. Pass to Ali. 10 seconds shot clock. 7. One goal. Rebound to Lokia. Pass to Su. Su now. Ayan na si Su. Back to Su. 2 points. 39 seconds remaining. Score 66 to 70. Rangers pass, one goal, Rangers remain. Pass, wala pa rin, rebound by Chu. Pass to Makareeg, pass to Chu. Chu now. Pass for 3. Chu. Tumingin ng laban. Ochoa, pass to Joseph. Joseph. 10 seconds shot na. Joseph pass, one goal. Rebound by Tulipan. Tulipan. 10 seconds shot na. Ochoa, 5 for 3. One goal. Rebound by Lokia. Lokia now. Pass to June. 1 minute and 20. 2 for 3. One goal. Rebound by Ben. Aliraw, Score 69 to 70, isa lang kalamangan ng Lesu. Lesu Whistle is stepping on the line. Ang tawag yun na yun. So now, ayan na, ang mga atake na sila. Pagtulog na, kumapatay. Bola pa rin ng Lesu. Joseph now. Usumayaw! Dapat-dapat! One goal! Rebound to by! Ingat-ingat lang. Ochoa. Inasa kay Ali. Ali now. 5 seconds shot na. One goal! Rebound to by! Joseph. And the Joseph. Dapat-dapat labas. Tinasa. Intercepted. Joseph sa labas, pinasa kay Ochoa, pass to Ali. Pass to shoot. Pass to shoot. Lays up. 2 points by shoot. Tato. God. Wala. 10 seconds remaining. Shoot. Ang second na, 1 second. Isang segundo na lang.
For the win or for the lose? Alright. Oh, yeah.